In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust padding on Squarespace. We'll start right inside your Squarespace dashboard. On the left-hand side, click Website to open your site controls. Next, go to Pages. Then choose the exact page where you want to adjust spacing. Once you're on that page, click Edit at the top left so you're in editing mode. This puts all the page's styles and content blocks within reach. There are a few levels of spacing you can control: the entire page, individual sections, and individual blocks. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on the page-wide controls and on block-level adjustments, since those give you broad control and precise fine-tuning. Section spacing exists too, and can be adjusted in that section's settings, but you may find the page and block options cover most layout needs. To adjust spacing for the entire page, look to the top right and click the paintbrush icon to open the site styles. In the Styles panel, head to Miscellaneous, then Spacing. Here, you'll see Page Width and Site Margins. Page width controls the maximum width of your content area. Think of it as how wide the main column can grow. Site margins control the outer space around that content, like the breathing room between your content and the edges of the browser window. Slide these values or type in exact numbers to get the look you want. Keep in mind that these style settings often apply across your site, so choose values that work consistently on multiple pages. A good approach is to make a modest change, preview the page, and then refine. Now, if you want to fine-tune the spacing around a specific piece of content, adjust the padding on an individual block. Click the block you want to work on. It could be text, an image, a button, anything, and a small context menu will appear. Click the pen icon to open that block's settings. Go to the Design tab and look for the offset controls. Offset functions like padding for the block, adding space inside its boundaries so it doesn't feel cramped. Enter the amount in pixels for the sides you want to adjust. Small, even increments, like 8, 12, or 16 pixels, often create clean, consistent spacing. If your block supports separate values for top, right, bottom, and left, keep an eye on visual balance as you change them. As you work, check how your spacing feels on different screen sizes using the built-in device previews. Subtle adjustments can make a big difference in readability and overall polish, and that's all. With these page-wide and block-level tools, you can quickly dial in clean, consistent padding that makes your Squarespace site look intentional and professional.